Hello guys, welcome to our new video, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe this channel first, like this video, press that bell notification so that you can keep getting the videos like this. Now, before we start the video, there's a message for everybody. So in case you're trying to find a solution for weight loss, you're not able to lose your weight, then there is a link in the description below, and do visit this video which you see on your screen right now. And once you see this video, this will help you to motivate how to lose weight. So visit the link in the description below. Now let's get back to the topic today, that how to run to lose weight. So sometimes people, they just run but still they don't see any results. So you have to run in a proper manner. So that's what we're gonna read and get to know about today. So it says here in this article, it says if you are relying solely on running for weight loss, you may be disappointed. Here's how to work out smarter to get the results you want, right? Now it says my body just can't lose weight. That's the first thing I hear when I pick up the phone, sounding frustrated and hopeless. On the other end of the line, my client Sarah continued. Now, Sarah first contacted me after a friend of hers had successfully lost weight through my online coaching program. But now there are some reasons that why your running is not giving you results. The reason number one is your workout is always the same. So your body is an amazing machine. It's designed for efficiency, meaning if you do the same thing over and over again, the process becomes easier. So this applies to your running workouts too. Not only will they start to feel more effortless, even if you're sweating and pumping your legs, but your metabolism learns and reacts so that fewer calories are burned with the same exact exercise put, right? So you can read everything here. And the reason number two is that you go longer but not faster. So the reason for your weight loss not working is because you're running for longer times but you're not running fast enough. So you have to increase the speed, you have to sweat a lot. So for how long you run, it doesn't really matter unless you run faster. And if you go further down, the number three is that running for weight loss, mistake number three, you focus too much on calories burned. Now as soon you start sweating, you are thinking about, okay, how many calories I'm burning. So while you're learning, your mind should be focusing only on hard work and not counting your calories. You don't have to think about how many calories you're burning or you're not burning. You just need to focus on the target. And then the fourth is that running for weight loss, mistake number four, that you don't try other forms of cardio. So it's like you have to do yoga, you have to do other exercises. You can't just rely on running solely. So this is reason number four. And finally, the number five is running for weight loss, mistake number five is that you run too much. Yes, too much, right? So this might sound crazy, but just hang with me. The number one on the scale might not be changing because you're running too much. So while this isn't a problem, the majority of people struggling to drop a few pounds, I have worked with more than a few people and seen hundreds of other case studies where fat loss has been stunned by doing too much. So you have to manage everything in a given time. So you have to have a schedule that you're going to run for maybe 10 minutes, half an hour, but you have to run hard. So these are some mistakes which you need to avoid, and then probably hopefully you will get results. If you don't get results from running, don't you worry, because I have left you the link in the description below. Visit the video and that will help you for sure. And please subscribe to this channel, like this video. We'll see you in the next video shortly.